So let's take a look at how you can add Elementor template to a WordPress page. Okay, so first thing, log into your WordPress dashboard, then go to pages. Okay, now here you can choose any page of your choice. Simply click on edit, and once you selected that page, it should load the Gutenberg editor. As you can see, this is a sample page, and I want to replace this by editing with Elementor. Okay, now it should load the page builder. Now here you see default sample page listed here. Okay, now what I can do is I can simply navigate to the part where it shows drag widget here. Okay, here you can add new sections, or you can simply add template. Okay, in order for these templates to look good on your page, make sure that you don't have any content. Okay, for that you can simply go to, let's say, settings page, page layout, Elementor canvas. Update that. That should clean up entire page. Okay, and here you can remove the content and simply click on add template here. Now we can choose from the available set of free templates, and then from there onwards you can simply, let's say I've selected this, click on insert button. Okay, as if you like this, simply use insert. Okay, that should take some time. And here you have your page. You can simply click on update. Okay, and your changes are now saved. Okay, you can exit the dashboard, and from there we will go to page. Let's say this is the page. I can go ahead and preview it. Or you can simply go to all pages, then go to sample page. That also works. So either one of that workflow should suffice. So here is the page that we just added from Elementor template. So you get the idea how to add template to your WordPress page using Elementor.